God.
I wrote you a song. It's really awesome. I don't have any more words. At this point, you're probably ripping out your hair. There you go. That's for you. Bye. Say bye, Dan. Bye.